In this lesson, we will talk about noun. Let's begin. It is a word that names a person. Like teacher is a noun. And if you say your teacher name like Adam is a noun. A place, city, it's a noun. And you can call your city name like New York is also a noun. A thing, book is a noun. And you say some name of book, the Old Man and the Sea is also a noun. Let's talk about types of noun. Common noun, name of general person, place, things, etc. Generally, man, this is not a name. You can talk some man. Girl, whose girl? You do not know, but just girl is a common noun. Country, which country is not, it is not defined. Just country is a common noun. Car, river, etc. is the example of common noun. Proper noun, name of specific person, place, things, etc. is proper noun. Like it is written in capitalist format. And examples are Adam, it is a person's name. Canada, it is a country name. BMW, it is a car name. Amazon, it is a river's name. So this is called proper noun. Concrete noun, things we can see, hear, touch, or smell is called concrete noun. Like apple, table, car, guitar, etc. is concrete noun. And abstract noun, idea, feeling, or quality, which you cannot touch, see, like happiness, truth, knowledge, etc. is the example of abstract noun. Countable noun, count individually, like dog. You can count dog, chair, book, etc. Uncountable noun, opposite of countable noun, you cannot count it individually, and it does not have any plural form. If you do not know what is singular and plural is, we'll talk about in some later videos. Water, time, love, rain, etc. is example of uncountable noun. Collective noun, it represents a group like team. A lot of people make a team. Family, your family, say you have 4 persons in a family, and it together is called family, and it is collective noun. Class, flock, collection, some collection of books is collective noun. That's all for today.